Ooh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is my wash day routine video, and I'm just gonna start off by washing my hair. I like to just start off by getting my hair soaking wet, and then I go in with my shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo that I'm going to use, peppermint and tea tree oil. And all throughout this video, you guys are just gonna have to excuse the crazy faces that I make when I wash my hair, when I do my hair in general. I don't know why I make these crazy faces. Okay guys, and for my deep condition, I'm going to take my Amla powder and my olive cholesterol and just mix them two together. I got a little lazy, so I blended them in my hands. But this is what it looks like, and I'm just going to go ahead and distribute that all throughout my hair. And if you guys are wondering where I get this Amla powder stuff from, I'm pretty sure you can order it offline, but where I live at in Delaware, there is a local Indian store, and I just go there. They sell like foods and like things you can put in your hair, like natural ingredients and stuff like that. And I just was doing my research, and I found that amla oil amongst other things, but amla powder, amla oil, whatever it is, regardless, it just helps promote hair growth, and it just helps strengthen your scalp. Once I'm done combing this through my hair, I'm going to sit underneath the dryer for 30 to 45 minutes. Okay guys, now that I sat underneath of the dryer for 45 minutes, I'm just going to go ahead and wash this off of my hair. And then I'm going to come back to you guys and show you how my hair looks after I use the amla powder mixed with the cholesterol, like a deep conditioner treatment for my hair. So I'll just come back and show you what it looks like when it's done. This is what my hair looks like now. It's wet. I dried it off a little bit, but for the most part it's still wet. Put some leave-in conditioner in it, a curl defining cream, and some oil. This just helps my hair, like the amla oil and stuff like that is supposed to be like really conditioning for your hair, and it's supposed to like strengthen your hair, the roots of your hair, make it bouncy and like springy and stuff like that. So yeah. My hair is really soft though. Okay, now it's time to style my hair. I'm just going to start off by applying this wild hair growth oil to my scalp and using my scalp massaging brush that I got by Vanity Planet, and just massaging the oil into my scalp and making sure that the oil seeps down into my scalp to actually promote hair growth. I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair straight down the middle and section it into fours and get ready to apply. With my sweet almond oil and just applying that all over my hair. I don't use any other type of oil besides this oil and maybe like other lightweight oils, but my hair really cannot stand like heavy oils. Like if I put like castor oil on my hair, it'll weigh my hair down tremendously. So I love sweet almond oil. It works best for me. And that's another thing too, guys. You have to find what works best for you and your hair. Everybody's hair texture is not the same. So what works for someone may not work for you. You just have to try things out. And I'm going to show you guys this process one more time and come back when I get to the front. But I'm just going to repeat the same steps all throughout my head. Just making sure that I really moisturize my hair and get all the product in it. I'm going to go in with the styling cream and just evenly distribute that throughout this section as well. I love these products. It works so well in my hair. And I will leave the link below in the description box so that you can just directly go to the website to find these products because they are bomb. And then lastly, I'm just going to apply some sweet almond oil to this section, and I'll be back, guys, when I get to the front. Okay, now that I'm in the front of my head, I'm going to continue to do those same steps. The only thing that I'm going to do differently is that I'm going to scrunch the front of my hair because the front of my hair is such a different texture than the rest of my head. As you'll see in a second, the back of my head is way different from the front of my head. The front of my head, for real guys, is giving me like 2C, like 3A type vibes. I do not know why. No matter how much I cut it, no matter how much I treat it with kindness, it just always grows like that. I guess that it's just gonna forever be like that, and that's just something I'm gonna have to get over, and hopefully it gets better with time, but only time will tell, so we'll see. Okay guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this side, and you can see the different hair textures in the front. What my hair looks like from the back: thoroughly moisturized, super defined, and curly. Hey guys, I just wanted to come back and show you guys the end result. I decided to add some little twists in the front, and I just tucked it behind my ear. I didn't bobby pin or anything like that, but I'm just gonna let my hair dry and then carry on with the rest of my night. But yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Spam the comments, tell me what you want to see, and I'll keep them rolling. I hope you guys all enjoyed my big chop experience. This is just showing you how I would wash my hair and deep condition it and everything like that. Every time I wash my hair, I do deep condition my hair, and I do use hair growth oil, and I have a vibrating scalp massager brush that I use, and I just massage my scalp with the brush. That brush is heaven. It feels so good on my scalp. I just could fall asleep. But yeah, that's the only major things that I do. I showed you the cholesterol treatment that I use. It's just a deep conditioner treatment for your hair. I showed you that I put Amya powder inside of it. Amya powder is known for aiding in hair growth, so get you some. And I just use the Melanin leave-in conditioner and the twisting styling butter. So yeah, that's all I do when I wash my hair. This is a wash and go, I guess you could say. I washed my hair, didn't twist it, I just added product, and now I'm just letting it breathe, and I'm gonna let it dry. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and just leave a nice little comment below. See you guys in my next video.